it's Bella with Bellessentials, and today I am going to reviewing a brand new soaper. Her name is Noel, and she's from Make Sense. And we watched one of Royal Appleberry, Kenny's videos, and it was her birthday. So for her birthday, she asked people, everybody, if they were willing to donate one of their soaps or their products. And we did this with 2 people. We are each trading some of our products, and her package has already come in. And the next package that come in, I'll probably make a video for that for the next one. But yeah, she is a brand new soaper, and her name is Noel. And yeah, I'm just so excited to open this. And we had to rip off our address, so yeah, it looks really weird. But I'm just so excited. So let's get into it. Okay. So I'm just gonna cut this open. It has like a ton of tape on it, so. Ooh. It smells so good. I can already smell it. Oh my gosh, it's so fresh. Okay. Okay, this should be good. Open it up now. Here we go. Oh my gosh. There's like a ton of bubble wrap and stuff in there. That is perfect because you really want all that as much protective as you want to be as protective as you can be. So to keep all this stuff safe. So we got a ton of this bubble wrap / stuff, and then a bunch of little squigglies. I still don't know what these are called, but yeah. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this stuff off. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, so sorry. There's so much bubble wrap and stuff in here. This is so perfect. Okay, so we have this right here. It says Make Sense Handmade Soaps, and I think it is whipped soap. You can show them. I haven't even. I want to smell it. Looks really nice. It smells like orange, lemon, citrus, like essential oil, or lavender. It kind of smells lavender-like. Oh wait, it smells like grapefruit too. It's like a mixture. Harmony. You smell it. It's like a mixture. I feel a lot of grapefruit and stuff. That smells amazing. Can I feel it?
Definitely grapefruit. I do smell grapefruit for sure. I think. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, guys. I'm gonna link her YouTube in the description box down below. But I don't think she's posted any videos yet. But I'm so excited when she starts posting.
But you're right. I smell a little lavender too.
Yeah, you smell it?
I smell lavender.
It is so soft. Wait, is this supposed to be soap?
It might be whipped soap.
Oh.
I don't know.
It's like sizzly. Like, guys, you gotta feel this. You please order from her. So you can feel this feeling and smell this, because I'm like, it's amazing.
Like, I have to show this. Look.
It's like sizzly when you feel it. It's like fluffy, and it makes
so
like
fluffy.
sizzly noises. Like it has bubbles in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go on. Ooh, are these soaps? Ooh, okay. So this is rose, clay, and lavender, and it has her ingredients on it. And that looks so good. And it has the ingredients on the back. Sorry if you can't see it very well. There you go. I'm gonna open it. And it has, oh yeah, her label on there, MS. And it says, yeah, okay. I'm gonna open this up really quick. Ooh, that smells amazing. Wow. I think it has lavender buds on there, but like it's definitely more essential oil on there. Oh, lavender and lavender petals. So lavender essential oil. I figured it was lavender. Sorry, you can't see it. And show them their label.
I love the beautiful chunky bar. I love that. Look how thick that is. Oh my goodness.
I can't get over this.
So that's her information.
Sorry for getting this wrong. I don't really know. We've never made whipped soap or lotions before, so. Can I see it really quickly? I want to smell it
It
again.
smells amazing. It might be that it smells the same fragrance as that.
It's like grapefruit and
I don't
lavender.
know if this is whipped soap. Maybe there's a note in there that tells you, but it's very moisturizing. I wiped it all over my hands.
Well, this has it has goat milk in it and rose clay and then lots of nice oils. That's the water in the background. My mom's washing her hands.
I wanted to try it out to see if it was soap. I think it's a balm. I think it's a whipped.
This is really nice. I'm really
like
excited
a whipped
to use
balm maybe.
that. Okay.
It feels amazing on my hands.
Now we have like a ton of bubble wrap. That's like really nice. Okay. Next one is French green clay spa bar. So this one has oatmeal in it. Has honey in there. And it has lemongrass and lavender. I don't know what that is. Ooh, I smell the lemongrass. I've never heard of lavender. We definitely have to get like a little press for some of our soaps. Like not all of them, but like maybe one of them with like a little label on it.
A stamp.
Yeah, the stamp. And oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It's so fresh. Ooh, I love this. This is like a really nice
Look how
unpackaging.
pretty
I
it's
love
beveled. The edges are beveled so pretty. I love that.
this. The next one's is bigger. Even bigger.
Oh my goodness.
Or skinny and tall. I love those.
I'm
favorites.
definitely gonna have to use this.
I'm gonna put them back in the box.
Sorry.
I don't want to get them messed up.
I'm smelling them back here.
Okay.
That
I
smells
love these
so
boxes.
good.
They're like adorable.
I wonder how she gets
God.
those essential oils to stick
And she's
so
a new
well.
soaper, so.
Maybe the clay helped the essential oil stick the fragrance in there.
Okay,
Smells
so
good.
this one is oatmeal milk and honey. Ooh, I love oatmeal milk and honey. It's like my favorite kind of soaps. Oh, it has beeswax in there, cocoa butter. Ooh. Okay. If I can get it out. Oh my gosh, this is a really big bar of soap. This looks exactly like, this reminds me of one of our first oatmeal milk and honey soaps. It smells just like it. It smells amazing. I love the stamp on there too. And then it has the oatmeal on the top. One more. This looks interesting.
Oh my goodness, this smells so good.
Oh yeah, and then the stuff on the top. I love that one. I'm excited. I really want to use that one.
Top.
And then our next one is a eucalyptus and green tea. And all these, I noticed that all these have like completely different ingredients. Like, except these, like these both have like completely different, like lots of different additives. That's really nice. Because we normally don't add goat milk to our soaps. Oh, it's infused with green tea and infused with eucalyptus. Ooh. I love, like, it smells really nice. Oh my gosh.
And these are all natural soaps, which I
It
love.
smells so good. Can't stop smelling it. I don't think there's no fragrance in
Wow,
this.
there's
That's nice.
argan oil in there. Wow, argan, cocoa butter, goat's milk, kaolin clay, green tea, and eucalyptus.
It's like there's no fragrance, so it's not fragrance. It's just infused with eucalyptus and green tea.
No, there is eucalyptus essential oil in it.
Oh, there is? Let me see. Oh, I didn't know it's that essential oil. Okay. So yeah, it has just a little bit. I don't like super strong soaps, so like I already feel like if you smell this a lot, like it makes your eyes like open up. My eyes are watering. It's not even strong. Like, I love it. It's like very light.
Wonderful, yeah.
This is amazing. Oh yeah, please go check her out. She's amazing soaps, and this is really soft. I'm pretty sure it's whipped soap. And this stuff smells amazing.
No,
Wow.
I washed my hands and it stayed on. I think it's a body butter. I think it's body butter.
So is it like soft? Like
Yeah, like it's like a.
Okay, I thought you were gonna say I was like
no,
using
like
it wrong.
not. It's like thicker than a lotion, but it's so. It's not like. It doesn't feel thick on your hands. It's super thin, but it's moisturizing,
Super
very
moisturizing. It's
So-
definitely not too oily. It's like a little bit, but like just enough to like moisturize. Like it's really nice. Okay.
So this oatmeal milk and honey one, I just wanted to say again, it has, not only does it have beeswax in it, it's shea butter, cocoa butter, it has oatmeal, honey, tussa silk, oat and calendula extract, buttermilk too. So that is wonderful.
This is amazing.
Lots of
Oh my
goodies.
goodness, Noel, thank you so much for this package. It is definitely amazing, and we cannot wait to use your soaps because they are amazing. Like, oh my gosh, they smell delicious and they have amazing ingredients in it. So I can't tell with it upside down. Okay, can they see it? Okay, and then this is oatmeal milk and honey. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love it. Oh my goodness, Noel, thank you so much for your amazing soaps and body butter. And I love your soaps. They all smell amazing, and your body butter. And I'm just so excited to use it because they are just amazing. And I think you are really, really good at making this stuff, and you are a brand new soaper. So I think that is really amazing. So definitely wasn't this good when we first started. We kind of had to get the hang of it. So soaping is very hard to get the hang of sometimes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below what you think of these soaps and if you ever order something from her. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, I just want to rub this all over me.